So another short video I've been asked to do to answer another question that we regularly get is on the best ways to choose a dental practice when looking for a dentist to provide you with dental implants to replace any missing teeth that you might have in your mouth. The first thing really is looking at the dentist credentials. So, for example, I'm starting my master's degree in implantology this September. But there's varying levels of qualification and accreditation that dentists might have in the field of implant dentistry. Everything ranging from some informal training all the way up to master's degree levels of training and anything in between. So it's important to know what level of training and experience the clinician who's providing this work actually has. Another important thing is to ask for referrals from family and friends. If you know people who've had a really good experience somewhere, it's often very useful to ask families and friends for recommendations if there's someone that they think has done a particularly good job. The third thing is not picking off of price alone. The cost of dental implant treatment can vary wildly from practice to practice, but what you can remember is that there's such a variety in the types of implant systems that are used. Everything from the implants themselves and all of the different fixtures and fittings that might be used, and the different manufacturers have vastly different costs depending on which system is being used. Additionally, the additional level of complex surgery being completed part of your implant treatment may not be the same from dentist to dentist, so some dentists may not conduct things like grafting as part of an implant placement to improve kind of the profile of the soft tissues. So again, price doesn't necessarily reflect the overall quality of the treatment you might have. Additionally, researching a practice, it's important to know that the practice that you go into not only is a nice environment, an enjoyable environment to have the work done in, it's also one that is able to meet your expectations and has a good reputation. Another important thing that you should do is asking lots of questions. You need to know exactly what you're getting yourself in for, and understand exactly what the procedure involves, and obviously the long-term maintenance of dental implants as well. Therefore, it's important that this is all communicated really well to you before you begin your implant journey. And following on from that, it's important to look at the dentist's communication skills, their ability to impart that information onto you, because unfortunately the vast majority of cases where patients aren't satisfied, it's a communication issue and patients weren't adequately informed of what the procedure or the aftercare was going to entail. And overall, I think it's looking for the overall feel of the practice, the friendly environment of the practice, and somewhere where they're able to provide a nice patient journey from start to finish and provide the additional aftercare that might be required.